What if the secret to happiness is not trying to be positive all the time, but learning what truly deserves your attention, energy, and emotional investment? What if many people feel stressed, anxious, and emotionally exhausted because they care too much about things that don't actually matter? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from The Subtle Art of Not Giving a FCK by Mark Manson. This unconventional self-development book challenges toxic positivity and explores how accepting discomfort, responsibility, limitations, and uncertainty can actually lead to greater freedom, confidence, and emotional peace. The central message of the book is this: you only have limited time, energy, and emotional attention. So instead of trying to care about everything, you need to choose carefully what actually deserves your concern. The book argues that constant comparison, approval-seeking, perfectionism, and trying to avoid all pain often create unnecessary suffering. Instead, meaningful life comes from focusing on values, responsibility, and what truly matters. One major lesson from the book is this: life will always include problems, stress, uncertainty, and discomfort. Many people believe happiness means eliminating all difficulties, but the book explains, happiness often comes from learning how to handle challenges better. Stop expecting life to become permanently easy. Build resilience instead of avoiding discomfort. One powerful idea from the book is taking responsibility improves personal power. This does not mean blaming yourself for everything, but understanding your responses, choices, and actions still matter. Responsibility creates confidence. Another important lesson from the book: failure, criticism, and rejection are normal parts of life. Many people avoid risks because they fear embarrassment or judgment, but avoiding discomfort often blocks growth. The book also discusses ego and self-awareness. Sometimes people create unnecessary suffering because they always need to feel important, right, superior, or successful. One of the deepest lessons from the book is this: chasing non-stop pleasure or positivity often creates emptiness. Instead, meaningful goals, values, relationships, and contribution create deeper fulfillment. Focus on values that genuinely matter to you. Build meaningful relationships and experiences. Accept that discomfort is part of a meaningful life. This book reminded me that emotional peace often comes from simplifying priorities, accepting imperfections, and becoming more intentional about where attention and energy go every day. The subtle art of not giving affects art reminds us life improves not when people avoid all problems, but when they become more intentional about what truly matters. If this message resonated with you, comment "Focus on what matters" below as a reminder to stop wasting energy on meaningless pressure and start living more intentionally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone struggling with stress, overthinking, comparison, or people-pleasing today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.